the bathroom is probably the one room in the house that we like to clean the least, right? Well, don't worry. With AspenClean, you can get it done in a few simple steps. What you need to clean your bathroom: bathroom cleaner and microfiber cloths, super scrub powder, microfiber mop and floor cleaner, glass cleaner and cloth. First thing you want to do is vacuum the floor while it's dry. This will make sure you pick up all the hair and dust. Now it's time to move on to the tiles. Spray the area with the cleaner, then wipe it down. If it needs a little more love, create a paste with the spray and the scrub. Then apply the scrub and let it sit for 10 to 30 minutes. Then wipe it down with a cloth. These cloths are perfect because they have little nubs on them, which actually makes it much easier to clean. Next, we move on to the sink. Spray the entire area with the cleaner and then give it a good wipe with a wet cloth. When it comes to faucets, if there is grime buildup, spray the area with the cleaner, then add some super scrub and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe it away. You don't need much powder to get the job done. Next, we move on to the toilet. First, you want to brush, then flush. If you want your toilet bowl to sparkle, spray the cleaner into the bowl and then add a sprinkle of the scrub and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then use a scrubbing brush to mix the solution. Then give it a good flush. Don't forget to wipe down the rest of the toilet, including the toilet seat and the handle, by using the spray and cloth. Now we move on to the tub. Cleaning your tub regularly will help to reduce grime and buildup. To clean the tub, spray the cleaner liberally into the tub itself and don't forget the sides where mildew collects. For tough stains, spray the area with the cleaner, then add some scrub powder. Let it sit for up to 30 minutes, then give it a good scrub. Finally, make sure you rinse the area really well. Now you may need to repeat this step if you have lots of buildup. Next, we move on to the floors. If you have tiles, then spray the floor cleaner directly onto the floor. Then use the microfiber mop. It will remove dust, dirt, oils, grease, scuff marks, and even bacteria. For mirrors, use the glass cleaner with the glass cloth. No streaks here. Final step, use a dry cloth to remove any watermarks and make your bathroom sparkle. Well, there you have it. A few simple steps to get your bathroom sparkling naturally with AspenClean.